Hello, welcome to my presentation. Today, I'm excited to present to you an opportunity that will change your life, an opportunity that can transform you, an opportunity that can impact you, an opportunity that can take you from where you are to where God intended to be. I want you to pay attention and just to stay with me in the next few minutes as I run you through this opportunity. So please stay tuned and give me your ears. And once you watch this video, please remember to comment below. Remember to subscribe to this channel so that we are able to interact in the future. Take your time and please let me just take you through so that we see what is ahead of us. This is an opportunity that you cannot afford to miss. This is an opportunity that will help you and your families and your generations to come to change their lives. So please stay with me in the next few minutes as we go through this opportunity. Yeah. So this opportunity I'm presenting is a business opportunity for entrepreneurs. So if you are an entrepreneur and you've been looking forward to get an opportunity, this could be your solution. This could be your answer. And my name is Nicholas Mwape. I'm an engineer by profession and I'm a pastor. At the same time, I'm the CEO of the Generational Wealth GlobalNet. Okay, I'm introducing to you a life-changing 21st century business. A life-changing 21st century business, I repeat, because this business is changing lives. This business is transforming lives. This business has impacted so many lives globally. You could be one of those who needs to be impacted by this business. Follow me through. I'm talking about the business that is coming from the company called Longreach Bioscience International Company. This is a company that can change and will change someone's life. Let me give a brief background of the profile of this company. Longreach is a 34-year-old manufacturing multinational company with headquarters in China and branch offices in over 90 countries, spanning USA, UK, Europe, Asia, Africa, etc. It's renowned for manufacturing patented products for top-notch brands. Longreach is ISO and NAFDAC certified, hence their penchant for quality, fast-moving health and energy and dairy consumable products. Longreach produces under EOM, Original Equipment Manufacturer, and ODM, Original Design Manufacturer, for top companies like Tesco, GSK, Unilever, Max, and Spencer, Elizabeth Arden, Avon, Estee Lauder, Walmart, Carrefour, etc. All these are big brands. These are big companies, and I'm sure when I was just going through this list, you are able to actually relate with these companies. Longreach produces products for these companies. The company, Longreach, has got 8 world-class research and development centers in China, USA, Japan, France, and soon to be launched one in Nigeria. So we are talking about a great company. So for you to become a partner with Longreach, you'll be provided with alternative income stream, and which will enable you to earn weekly bonuses and also an awesome global incentives. So this is exciting. So what are you going to benefit? Okay, you are asking, what will I benefit? Okay, so what you benefit is, one, the 7 to 8 figure weekly income. Okay, this is happening and it's taking place, changing people's lives. Number 2, you share 1% of the company's global sales, okay, monthly turnover sales as a VIP. So if you join as a VIP, you can share that 1%. The company gives you brand new car award, brand new car, twice every year. People are receiving these life-changing benefits. The other benefit, of course, the fourth one is all expense paid luxury vacations abroad. I say abroad, in China, Dubai, Brazil, USA, or across the globe. You are paid, um, you are sent abroad on vacations 2 to 3 times every year. This is a great opportunity. And once you rise to the star director level, the company will give you 150 million US dollars house fund. You are given by the company. A lot of leaders have been able to buy products, buy properties in foreign land, in the USA, Dubai. We have leaders in Africa who have bought those properties. You can as well get those. The company gives you a 4-year executive MBA program at the prestigious Regis University in Colorado, USA. So this is one of the benefits. The other benefit is that the company gives you a scholarship for a degree program for you. Now, if you want your beneficiary or anyone of your choice, the company will still give that scholarship at Tsukuo University in China. These are great benefits. They are insane. They are insane, guys. You can benefit all these from Longreach. It's a company that changes people's lives. It's a company that has changed people's lives. So this is what we expect if you partner with Longreach. Okay, so if you want to reach me and to contact me, please, you can WhatsApp me on that number, or you can call me on that number so that we chat further. And please remember to comment below. Remember to comment below and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that we may interact even more in the future. Okay, thanks a lot. And this is what I had and I felt I should present to you. Once again, like I said, please remember to share this video. Remember to share with somebody out there. This is changing lives. It can change life. They can work from home. They can leverage social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can leverage and reach out to global network marketers. It's not only in your country, but you can impact lives even out there. So this is a life-changing opportunity. The business in the 21st century. I felt I should just chat with you, and I'm excited, and I believe that you still join my team and you still join this opportunity, this big business, and please embrace it and run with it. This is what I had for you today. Until we meet next time, thank you so much for your time, and thank you for allowing me share this opportunity with you. Thanks a lot, and God bless you.